Hello everyone, welcome to Mr. H Math Lab. This video is for Math 1 student. Today is Friday, February 7, 2020. We're gonna go over Quizlet 4, which we didn't go over yesterday, so we're gonna do it today. Then we're gonna go over CAS practice. Then you can go to your laptop to work on either topic goals, ALEKS assignment, or ALEKS practice test. Okay, so your homework for this weekend basically just ALEKS assignment. Okay, keep in mind that by March 10 you have to get 75% of the topic goal done. If you get 75% done, go ahead, move on to the next topic is 90%. I hope that you can get it done before time. Keep in mind that topic goal is the test that you can have a control over for 100% sure. Okay, we're gonna go over Quizlet 4. Aldo will rent a car for the weekend. He can choose one of two plans. The first plan has initial fee of $51 and is cost additional 11 cents per mile driven. The second plan has initial fee for $44 and it costs an additional 15 cents per mile driven. So we have y equal to 0.11x plus 51. The second equation is y equal to 0.15x plus 44. Then we're going to use the substitution method. We're going to plug this in place of y. So that will give you 0.11x plus 51 equal to 0.15x plus 44. Then we're going to solve for x. First we need x to stay on the same side. We're going to subtract 0.11x on both sides. That will give you 51 equal to 0.04x plus 44. To solve for x, you're gonna do is subtract 44 on both sides. Okay, so 51 minus 44 will give me 7 equal to 0.04x. Then we're gonna solve for x by divide 0.04 on both sides. So x will equal to 175. 175. So what does the x represent? X represent the miles. So they're gonna drive 175 miles. If he drive 175 miles, then the cost of two plans should be the same. And how much does this cost? We're gonna do is take this, plug into one of the original to find out how much does this cost him. Y equal to 0.11 times 175 plus 51. Okay, so 0.11 times 175 is 19.25 plus 51. So it's gonna cost him $70.25. Okay, so that's it for number 1. Number 2, a fruit company delivers its fruit in two type of box, the large and the small. A delivery of 8 large boxes and 3 small boxes has the total weight is 187 kilogram. A delivery of 2 large boxes and 5 small boxes is total weight of 102 kilogram. How much does each type box weight? Okay, so we have 2 type of box, large and small. 8 large and 3 small, that will be AX plus 3Y. The total weight is 187. And 2 large box plus 5 small box equal to 102 kilogram. Make sure X is large and Y is small. We're gonna solve this. You can use any method, substitution, elimination. I would choose elimination. So I want to cancel the X because I can see that 2 going to 8 is 4 times, so I can multiply my second equation by 4. So that will give me 8x plus 5y, sorry, not 5y, 5 times 4 would be 20y equal to 408. Then we bring over ax plus 3y equal to 187. Okay, to make one of them negative so that I can cancel out the 8, I can multiply one of them by -1. So that will give me negative ax minus 3y minus 187. So by doing that, it's allow me to cancel out the ax. 20y minus 3y is 17y. 408 minus 187. That will give me 221. Then we can go ahead and divide by 17 on both sides to get y by itself. So that will give us y equal to 13. Excuse me. We're going to take this, plug into one of the original equation. Okay. First of all, 13. What is the 13? Remember, we say that x is a large box and y is a small box. So the small box weight is 13 kilogram. Okay, we're gonna plug into the first equation. Ax plus 3y equal to 187. We're gonna plug in y at 13. Okay, 3 times 13 will give me 39 equal to 187. And we bring down ax. To solve for x, you're going to do is subtract 39 on both sides. So 8x equal to 187 minus 39. That will give me 148. Then we divide by 8 on both sides. So that will give me x equals to 18.5 kilogram. So that is the weight of the larger box. The small box is 13 kilogram and the big box is 18.5 kilogram. And that's it for number 2. Number 3. Keisha can choose plan A and plan B for her long distance call charge. So the graph down below, they want you to interpret what is the meaning of the intersection. We talked about this before. I'm sorry that I didn't have enough space to put the question. Again, question is in the front page. Problem 1 and 2, you should see that questions. I assume that we get used to it by the time we get into problem 4. Or Quizette 4. So the intersection is 140 and 16. So we're going to interpret what does it mean 140 and 16. If she used exactly 140 minutes, it will cost her $16 for either plan. They both have the same price. At this intersection, it's cost 100. If she's used 140 minutes, both plan A and plan B will charge her the same amounts, which is $16. And that's it for today's Quizette. When you're done, make sure your name on the Quizette, pass this forward, turn it in. Then take out your CAS practice. We're gonna go over the CAS questions. Hush. Hello everyone, welcome to Mr. H Math Lab. This video is for 8th grade students and we are on CAS Countdown, week 18, problem 3. The table shows the approximate populations of 4 capital cities in the United States. Write the correct city to make each statement true. We have the table. The first row is a city. We have Augusta, Maine, Cheyenne, Wyoming, Jackson, Mississippi, Montpelier, Vermont, and follow that is their population. So the first statement is the population of something is about 1/3 population of Jackson. So the 1/3 here give me an idea about the ratio, to talk about the ratio of two cities' population. So we see that the population of a city, there's some city that we don't know which one, over the population of Jackson. Okay, so as we know, based on the table, the population of Jackson is 3 to the 11 power. Alright, and the population of a city on top, which we're looking for, after we do some kind of math reduce the math problem, we should end up with 1/3. So my question for you is, what number should I put on top so that is divided by 3 to the 11 power give you 1/3? Excuse me. So if you say that the answer is 3 to the 10 power, you was right. 3 to the 10 power. So we have 3 to the 10 over 3 to the 11. Okay, if you write them all out, you will see that 3 times 3, 10 times. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And at the denominator is 3, 11, number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then each of them divide out, give you 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So the remainder on top is going to be 1, and the leftover at the bottom or at the denominator is going to be 3. So the population that have 3 to the 10 power, the city that have population is 3 to the 10 power is Cheyenne. So my answer for the first statement gonna be Cheyenne. Alright, number 2, the population of is about 3 times the population of Montpelier. So it's the same idea. There's a city, population of city over the population of Montpelier. So we know Montpelier is given is 3 to the 8 power. Okay, so it's 3 to the 8 power. What should be on top so that your final answer is going to be 3 only? Okay, so take a second, think about it. What should it be on top so that the final answer is going to be 3? Okay, if you say the answer is 3 to the 9 power, you are right. Okay, so it's the same idea like we did on top. We're gonna write down all the 3. 3 to the 9 power is 3 times 3 times 3. 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the bottom you have 8. 2 more, and the same concept, they all divide out. So as leftover is 1 number 3, that is our answer. So the city that have 3 to the 8 power is, 3 to the 9 power is Augusta. Augusta is the answer for the second statement. Now last one, the population of something is about 27 times population of something else. Ooh, 27 times. Okay, so as we see, the big idea here is all 3 multiply each other, right? So 27 can be rewritten as 3 times 3 times 3. That is 3 to the 3rd power. Okay, now I want you try this really quick. Think in your head, what population of what city over the other city? That's your final answer going to be 3 to the 3rd power. Okay, so what should be on top and what should be at the bottom? Alright, so now we're gonna look at the answer. 3 to the 9 power. Okay. 3 to the 10, if you subtract them, you have 3 to the first power, is not what we're looking for. 3 to the 9 to 3 to the 11, if you subtract them, 11 minus 9 is 2, so that's not our answer. 3 to the 8, if you subtract them, you will have 3 to the first power or 3 to the negative 1, so that's not what we're looking for either. So we're going to skip Augusta. Augusta, not a possible answer. Now we compare 310 and 311. You have 3 to the first, that doesn't work. 310 and 3 to the 8, if you subtract them, you will have 3 to the second power. It doesn't work either. So let's go down to the last CD, is the Jackson, Mississippi. 3 to the 11, subtract 3 to the 8. 11 minus 8 will give you 3, so that is 2 CDs that we're looking for. 3 to the 11 divided by 3 to the 8. Okay, so you can either list them all out like the last two example, or you can use the quotient rule of the power. 3 to the 11 minus 3 to the 8 will give you 3 to the third power, and that's what we're looking for. 3 to the 11 is the Jackson, population of Jackson City, and 3 to the 8 the population of Montpelier. Okay, so Montpelier. Alright, so we have Jackson here and Montpelier at the second part. Alright, that pretty much it for today. Thank you everyone for watching, and see you on the next video.